So today we're going to talk about why I got the 50mm f1.8 lens for my Sony A7 III. I really like the kit lens that came with my Sony A7 III. It's a 28mm to 70mm f3.5 to f5.6. The major reason why I got the 50mm f1.8, I can tell you right now, it's because of the aperture at f1.8. I can't do this with my kit lens. Whenever I change the focal length to 50mm, it will change the aperture to the lowest, maybe 4.5. And that's something I'm missing, and I hope that the kit lens was able to keep it at f3.5 at least. But with f1.8, I can get way better low light performance at the focal length of 50, and also I can get a lot of really nice bokeh effect that you're seeing right now in my background. I'm not standing really close to the 50mm f1.8, which is the one that I'm shooting with the camera right now. But if I stand a little bit closer, let's say if I stand a little bit closer like this, my face a little bit closer in focus, you can see that the bokeh effect, it's even more significant. So that's something that I am hoping to get, to have the subject separate from the background. Even for YouTube video, it looks pretty cool. Now I'm going to show you some video samples between the kit lens and the 50mm f1.8 lens on my Sony A7 III. Leave your comment in the comment section below and let me know which one you like better. So after showing you guys the video samples, I hope you guys can decide which one you like better. For myself, the major reasons why I got the 50mm f1.8 lens, Sony native lens for my A7 III, it's because of the bokeh effect, the low light performance at f1.8, and also 50mm, it's a really nice mid-range kind of focal length that I can shoot portrait or even filming myself at my home studio for YouTube purposes. And also, the price is really reasonable and affordable. $350 to get a lens that it's made by Sony for Sony camera, that's like almost unbeatable. So there are two major things that you have to keep in mind when you're getting the Sony 50mm f1.8 lens for your A7 III. The autofocus is not as fast. I found that it's just, sometimes it's kind of hard to find the focus. That's one of the major things. And the second thing is I have to move my camera a little bit further away from me. So if you have a really tight space at your studio, you might need to make sure that you can have that distance. You can try it out by basically changing the focal length of your kit lens to 50mm and see if you can still get yourself in the frame correctly. I have everything updated, the software on the lens and the camera is updated, so autofocus is still kind of slow sometimes. For example, if I put my hand like this, it will probably take a couple of seconds before you can find focus, and if I move it away, and it might take another couple of seconds to find my face to stay focused. So those are the things that I want you guys to keep in mind when you're getting the lens. Oh, there's another thing. A lot of people are actually complaining about the noise that the lens is making when it's trying to autofocus. To me, it's okay. It is noticeable, but it's not that bad because when I'm taking photos, I don't really care about that little noise that the lens is creating because I'm not recording any sound. If I'm making videos with my camera, I have an external microphone because the onboard microphone is not the highest quality, so I never use it. The external microphone, for example, a shotgun mic or a lav mic would help recording the audio without picking up the camera lens noise. It's not noticeable at all. I can try it right now. If I put my hand up like this, it is doing autofocus, I'm sure, but you don't hear any sound of the lens. Let's do it without me talking. See, it's not that bad, right? And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, share it with your friends and family. Good luck creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.